Hi folks, so I'm on my walk today and I noticed that the water and area where the lily pads were last time I did the video, the water's diminished and dried up the area, and the lily pads just keep growing. And the birds like it. I'm going to show you this area and zoom in a little. You gotta love outdoors, folks, because you never know what you'll find. Every day I step outside and go to a park, it's amazing my finds. And then when I continue, how I see maybe the same thing in nature, but how it's changed. Like this area, for example, there was water and they were just starting to grow the lily pads. They were floating amongst the water, growing up, and now they're really big. It's kind of muddy here. Well, I'm gonna get down there because I can. I think I'm on what was lake water. Look at how big these pads are, lily pads. Some are smashed and laying down in the mud. It looks either like it's drying up or the lake, they're taking the water out. But these are some big size lily pads. They're huge and they're so pretty. And before I started my walks, I had never seen real lily pads. So this is really exciting for me. I also have another channel, Life After 55, Life Beyond 55, I should say, with Michelle. And these are some things that I have found that truly amaze me on my walks. Lily pads. Who knew? Who got to really see them up close like this? Real lily pads. Well, that's what I call them. I hear some frogs croaking, do you? Now, I guess when I did my other video over here, they were kind of like that, the far distance on the water. But since there's no water and it's mud, you can see this is what it looks like. And they're kind of contained right here. It looks like there's a barrier between the water of rock. And these just get to grow. It's not too big of an area here, but it's really cool capture today. And I'm glad I get to bring it to you because not everybody is around lily pads. I think the other reason I love capturing these videos outdoors is because now that I am Life Beyond 55 with Michelle, so many things are consumed with AI and fake videos. And it's amazing people are making a living with that. After a nursing career of 30 years, it amazes me that people can just log on to AI and create videos that aren't real, and they don't even really have to physically work anymore. You don't have to go to college, which is sometimes maybe a little disappointing for me just because I am over 55 and I spent a great many years taking care of people, and I worked hard doing that, which it takes special people, I believe, in this world to do that, because we come across in nursing all kinds of things that not everybody can stomach. But with that said, folks, thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep walking at Life Beyond 55 with Michelle. But this is my outdoor channel. So this one is Michelle Bartles Outdoors. And if you're watching this right now, that's where you're at, and I appreciate it. I appreciate every view, click on my content. No, it's real, it's at the moment, and I'm just on my daily walk. And I'm gonna bring you all my finds. So follow me on my journey. Like and subscribe so I can keep doing this. Help my channel grow, comment. Let's create a community for the wildlife and outdoors. Comment anything you want. We don't have to have regimen questions. Start somewhere and viewers will see and follow. All right. From my heart to yours, thank you, thank you, thank you.